Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to log calls and record notes automatically in your free Agile CRM. First, log a past call. Go to Contacts and click a client's name. On their profile, find the Log Call button and click it. A form pops up, enter the phone number. Select the call outcome like connected. In the notes box, type a summary. Click Save. The call is now on the contacts timeline. To make logging automatic, connect a phone provider, go to Integrations. In Settings, once connected, calls made with the phone icon on a profile log automatically. To auto-add notes, use automation. Go to the Automation section. Create a workflow with a trigger like call logged. Add an add note action. Set the note text to something like follow-up call done. It adds to the profile after the call. Finally, see all logged calls in reports. Look for the call logs report. This shows every call with details. And that's it. You can log calls manually, connect for auto-logging, and use automation for notes. If this helped track calls, please like and subscribe. See you next time.